Good afternoon, this is Freddy from We Work on Home Builder. I got something to share with you guys, something great to share with you guys. So this is an old home, it's an historical district. This is what we've done for these homeowners, for these clients, and I'm just gonna go quickly walk through. So very much repair all the plaster walls, cracks, repair everything, and then paint it. And same thing with the trim work, really do all the work around the cracks, make sure everything is spotless and everything as nice as possible without making it look like it's too new. Maintaining the story of the house, maintaining so the trim can tell you how many years I'm in this window. So the trim on the door can tell you I'm in this house since this house was built. So this is what we've done in here. So very much repaint the entire house, repaint all the trims, repaint all the walls, same thing, redone all the hardwood floor, the entire first floor, the stairs, the living room, same thing, we repaint this is dining room, right? Yeah, so the entire dining room was repainted, fix the outlets, upgrade the electric outlets in the house, same thing with the switches, make it look safe, make it look great, and make it safe, so you don't have to worry about electric hazards. So everything is pretty much, we maintain what's old without losing the old and making look what needs to be upgraded. So all the electric outlets are upgraded. Same thing in that room. That's the office right there. So I'm gonna also showcase one of the beautiful about this type of houses. Like right here, this is an already recovered. So you know, I think it just tells you something. It really talks about the years of the house. I mean, I love the good stuff. I love the new stuff. We do a lot of that too, but we really masterize in bringing the beauty of the old. Like this garden, it was here since the house was built. You can tell it still looks beautiful, looks sharp, but it's not brand new. We had to refurbish it and make it look spotless. So let me just share with you guys. Also, we're doing a bathroom upstairs, and like all the stairs has to be refinished and repaint the entire space. Let me just share with you guys the bathroom up here. Oh. So this is the bathroom right here. So this bathroom is in construction. We had to put a temporary sink because the sink that the client ordered did not match or didn't like the colors. But this is the bathroom in construction. So let me just give you a quick tour around it. So all the floor, it's a marble floor tile. It's a marble wall tiles, and this is what it looks like during construction. We're gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna start working on it, and I just asked my guys to clean the area so we can do some pictures and videos. But that's the reason we just put a temporary sink. It's just because they actually vanity are not here. All right, this bathroom completely was cut out, so we go back to the studs and start from fresh. All the plumbing, all the electric is pretty much brand new, and yeah. So this is a bathroom construction, and that was made it look like before it's finished. When it's all done, it's gonna look completely beautiful and nice.